Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Cook with Sana Kuram. This is Sana. In this modern world, there is definitely an increase in the number of health conscious people who are on the lookout for various healthy food options and at the same time without compromising on the taste, and indeed they are ready to invest in appliances which would fill the bill. One such incredibly amazing kitchen appliance which has grown so popular in the recent times is the air fryer. So, today's video is going to be about the features and benefits of my recent purchase Philips digital air fryer model number HD9252 by 90, 1400 watts power with 4.1 liters capacity. Also, I have shared how to make the crispy french fries and very delicious roasted potatoes which I had made with my air fryer. Friends, if you have not subscribed to my channel as yet, please do it now and enable the bell icon so that you will get the updates of my new uploads. If you like this video, please hit a like and share it with your family and friends. Now come, let's get started. Here we go, a Philips digital air fryer with 4.1 liters capacity and 1400 watts power. Just have a look at the appliance. It looks so sophisticated, sleek and glossy, not too many confusing attachments, so simple and easy to use. It comes with a removable basket with a handle attached and a pan in which the basket gets fixed like this. And the basket release button is covered by a plastic closure. Slide this to the front to open it and press the button to detach the basket from the pan. I'll show you in close up, just have a look at it. The food that we are going to cook should be placed in this basket. This basket has some special vents that allow the rapid hot air to circulate around the food and cooks the food perfectly. And this is the pan which has the patented starfish design which allows the hot air swirl around the food efficiently to give us the crispy outer layer and soft inner layer in the food. The basket should be fixed into the pan like this, after which the food can be placed in the basket. Now close the basket release button by pushing back the closure. Now the pan and the basket are intact. Once the cooking is done, these two can be detached and washed with a washing up liquid using a soft sponge. Never wash them when they are hot and never use metal abrasive cleaning materials as they may damage the non-stick coating. Now after attaching the pan and the basket, you can slide them into the air fryer this way. So easy to pull out and slide in. That's why I'm saying it is very, very user friendly. Now once you switch on the appliance, the on button glows. Press it, then an LED screen with the preset menus appear. This is called control panel. 7 preset menus are there. Now I'm choosing the first menu by pressing the menu button. This menu is for frying frozen food like frozen french fries, nuggets, etc. It shows the preset temperature 180 degrees centigrade and preset time 22 minutes. Menu button is for switching from one menu to another. You should keep on pressing the menu button to choose the required menu. Second one is for frying fresh potatoes, not the frozen ones, the fresh potatoes. Third for frying chicken. Fourth for frying fish. And fifth for baking cakes. And sixth for cooking meat like mutton chops, etc. And seventh is for grilling vegetables. And there is a keep warm mode which will keep your food hot for up to 30 minutes and used for even reheating your food. Towards your left side, there are two arrows. Use the up arrow to increase the temperature and down arrow to reduce the temperature. And towards your right side, there are two arrows. Use the up arrow to increase the time and down arrow to decrease the time. This is how you change the temperature and time. This is for increasing the temperature and down arrow is for decreasing. It is not necessary that you should always follow the preset temperature and time for cooking your food. You can increase or decrease the temperature and time to cook the food according to your choice of taste and texture. Now, once the temperature and the time was set, press the on button to start cooking. That's simple. Now, when the cooking gets over, it gives a beep and it stops automatically. You can power off the appliance by pressing and holding the power on and off button for 5 seconds and the power gets off, and that's it. For frying french fries in the air fryer, I have taken about 200 grams of frozen french fries. You can directly use them. You don't have to thaw them. Place them over the basket. I'm going to fry them without oil, not even a drop of oil. Frozen french fries are already pre-cooked. They are blanched and cooked partially, so it doesn't take much time to get fried as the fresh potatoes. Slide the basket into the fryer, switch on, and you can see the menu options. Choose the first menu, as this option is for frying frozen food. So choose the first option. Preset temperature is 180 degrees centigrade and preset time is 22 minutes. Now the temperature and the time are set. Press the on button to start the frying process. After 6 to 7 minutes, you have to remove the bucket and shake slightly so that the fries get fried evenly. Slide it again. Now 5 more minutes to go. Once again, remove the bucket and shake again and place it back. Now it's done. The fries have been beautifully fried to golden brown, so crunchy and perfect in color and texture. They are fried with zero oil and hence doesn't elevate your calories, and trust me, it tastes so delicious. Please try. Let's see how to make roasted potatoes with fresh potatoes. For making roasted potatoes in the air fryer, I have taken 2 potatoes weighing 200 grams together. Peel off the skin and dice them into medium-sized cubes. And wash them thoroughly under running water and drain the excess water with a colander and pat dry them with a kitchen towel. We do this to ensure that we get good outer covering, crunchy outer covering on the potatoes once it's cooked. Drizzle some oil, say about 1 teaspoon of oil, and mix thoroughly. We mix oil to the potatoes so that the masalas that we're going to add get coated well. That is the reason. Now take a mixing bowl and add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, followed by 1/4 teaspoon of cumin powder and 1/4 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder for good color, and add 1/4 teaspoon of red chili powder, the regular one, and 1/4 teaspoon of coarsely ground black pepper powder and 1 tablespoon of dried kasuri methi. Crush them well with your palm and add 1 teaspoon of salt, or the required quantity you can add. Mix well, never add water. Add the diced potatoes to the masala and mix well without adding water. Since we have mixed oil with the potatoes, the masalas will get coated well. Mix thoroughly and keep aside. Now brush some oil in the basket so that the potatoes don't get stuck at the bottom. Place the potatoes in the basket and slide the bucket into the air fryer. Now switch on. Now choose the second option, which is for frying fresh potatoes. The preset temperature is 180 degrees centigrade and the time is 26 minutes. But I have tried this recipe already, and 26 minutes was very crunchy, and as I wanted the potatoes to be slightly soft, I prefer the time to be 22 minutes. So from 26, I'm going to bring the time down to 22 minutes. So for the first 11 minutes, it will cook on one side. Once done, the basket should be shaken well and the potatoes will be cooked for the next 11 minutes, so totally 22 minutes. First 11 minutes is done. Now you can remove and see it is half done, half cooked. So mix it thoroughly and place them back again and set for 11 more minutes. Shake thoroughly and set them in. There are two ways of doing it. One is to set for totally 22 minutes, and in between you can remove the bucket and shake them and place them back, just like how we did in the French fries. Or you can do this way. Either way, it's correct. Now it's done. Look at the color and the texture. The potatoes have been perfectly roasted. So delicious they look. Crunchy outer covering and soft inner portion, and the flavor and the taste, it was really out of the world. And you must try this because we have used very less oil to prepare this mouth-watering roasted potatoes. Hope you all have enjoyed watching my video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and share this video with your family and friends. Meet you all in my next upload. Till then, this is Sana signing off with lots of love.